What is Luminous Renewal Skin? Consistently, we read about various items which guarantee to have hostile to maturing benefits. The allurement is to quickly buy that item, as we are attracted to the majority of the guarantees the makers make. In any case, if you somehow happen to stop for a moment and consider it, you would clearly need to know more. We see how critical it very well may be to buy an item with conviction, so we have inspected a promising decision for you. This is a survey made for Luminous Renewal Skin, an exceedingly effective enemy of maturing cream. Glowing Renewal Skin ingredients. Are they safe and effective? Glowing Renewal Skin contains various dynamic fixings, which are profoundly helpful for the skin. Among these fixings, there are Glowing Renewal Skin. Lavandrox Anti-maturing properties, invigorates the generation of collagen and elastin at the dimension of the skin. It is really a peptide, having hydrating properties also. Matrixyl 3000 peptide, which invigorates the generation of collagen, making almost negligible differences and wrinkles less unmistakable. Re-establishes the regular brilliance of the skin. Arginine lipid, which improves the general surface of the skin, keeping it from getting to be droopy and dull. Particularly useful for the skin around the eyes. Hyaluronic corrosive, intensely hydrating impact at the dimension of the epidermal and dermal layers of the skin. Guarantees that the skin is supple and smooth in the meantime, re-establishing its young perspective. How does Luminous Renewal Skin work? Radiant Renewal Skin works by entering the shallow layer of the skin and achieving the dermis, where a large portion of the harm is finished. Here, it fixes the auxiliary grid of the skin, filling in any existent holes and limiting normal indications of maturing. What are the advantages of Luminous Renewal Skin? There are various preferences that accompanied utilizing this item in a specific. Contains profoundly strong fixings, with against maturing properties. Attempts to fix the auxiliary framework of the skin, achieving the dermal layer. Generally fixing and lifting impact at the dimension of the skin. It conveys more blood to the skin, enabling it to recapture its young appearance. Takes out normal indications of tiredness, for example, dark circles, under eye sacs and general puffiness. How to use. For the best outcomes, it is prescribed to apply the counter-maturing cream 2 times each day, once toward the beginning of the day, following awakening, and by, around evening time, directly before hitting the hay. It is also for the best to wash your face first so that you eliminate debris and impurities accumulated on the surface of the skin. Apply the cream using gentle and circular motions so that it is properly absorbed into the skin. Allow for it to be fully absorbed into the skin before you apply other skincare products or makeup.